Good morning to everyone. This is the sum we will be doing now in front of your screens. The following is the trial balance of Radhika Limited as on 31st March 2017. The trial balance is given debit credit side. In the debit side, what you find assets and expenses. In the credit side, you find liabilities and incomes. So this stock is the stock on 31st March 2017. And the same day it is balance sheet date is trial balance date is also of the same day of which the stock date is there. So what stock is this, opening or closing stock? Can anyone tell me? Trial balance date is also 31st March 2017 and the date of the stock is also 31st March 2017. That means this is the closing stock. Then we have fixed asset which is already minus depreciation, net block, gross block से depreciation minus करते हैं तो we get net block. Then we have debtors, unsecured and good. Then we have staff advance. Everything are assets here. देखो there are no expenses, means we only have to prepare balance sheet. क्योंकि यहाँ पे only asset information is given, we only have to prepare balance sheet. Now staff advances is a asset. Advances we show the staff advances in short-term loans and advances. Then we have cash on hand, bank balance, which is cash and cash equivalent. Then we have share issue expense, which is a fictitious asset. तो share issue expense को हम other non-current asset में बता सकते हैं, long term nature का assume करके, या तो other current asset में बता सकते हैं, short term nature का assume करके. जैसे amortizable after 12 month, मतलब इसको राइट ऑफ कब करना है? आफ्टर द amortizable मीन्स राइट ऑफ करना, कैंसिल करना. आफ्टर 12 months मीन्स आफ्टर 12 months मीन्स आफ्टर ईयर. सो ये लॉन्ग टर्म नेचर का हो गया, मोर देन अ ईयर, ये यहीं पे शो होगा. दैट मीन्स you'll have to show it under अदर नॉन करंट असेट. इसको लॉन्ग टर्म नेचर का अज्यूम करके, बिकॉज दे हैव गिवन अमोर्टाइजेबल आफ्टर 12 months which is a period more than 1 year. 12 months, after 12 months मतलब after 1 year. So we will show it under non current assets. Then we have bill receivable, debtor के साथ we will write. Trade receivable में then we have investment at cost which is non current investment. Then we have share capital, general reserve is reserves and surplus, loan from Bank of Baroda, long-term borrowing, non-current liability, provision for tax, short-term provision, net profit for the year, it is profit for the year. P&L account नहीं निकालना है, directly they have given net profit for the year. They have given the profit for the year directly, no need to prepare profit and loss account because we have already given the profit for the year. Then profit and loss account opening balance also is there. ये दोनों हम surplus में दिखाएंगे. Reserve and surplus. Reserves means all the reserves. Surplus means profit and loss account. Short-term loans we will show under short-term loans. Short-term borrowings में बताएंगे short-term loans. Then we have creditors, trade. Creditors is trade payable, and then unclaimed dividend is other current liabilities. Unclaimed dividend means every outstanding we show under other current liability. Outstanding liabilities we show under other current liabilities. Then we have transfer to general reserve. This is appropriation. Directors recommend 6% dividend. This they are talking about the proposed dividend. कि directors ने क्या recommend किया? Shareholders को 6% dividend मिलेगा. But from the notification which came into force from the financial year 2016-17, according to that notification issued by ICAI, Institute of Chartered Accountant of India, they have issued a notification that with effective from financial year 2016-17, no liability for proposed dividend is to be created. हमें proposed dividend के लिए कोई भी liability create नहीं करना है. Such proposed dividend is to be disclosed by note. मतलब नीचे एक नोट के साथ we will be showing the proposed dividend. Proposed dividend will not come anywhere in the balance sheet in the notes to account. Separately हम इसको note में बताएंगे. Like contingent liability we show in the notes. Same way proposed dividend also we will show in the note. हम इसको नोट में बताएंगे. लाइक अवर कंटिंजेंट लाइबिलिटी वो भी बैलेंस शीट में किधर भी नहीं आता. दिस वन ऑल्सो विल नॉट कम एनीवेयर. देन दे से आउट ऑफ द एनीवेयर इन द बैलेंस शीट बट इन द नोट्स. आउट ऑफ डेटर्स डेट फॉर मोर देन 6 months was 1,04,000. डेटर में 8 lakh में more than 6 months due is 1,04,000. Others will be the remaining amount. Creditor included for goods 2,10,000, while the remaining are for expenses. Creditor is 2,80,000. जिसमें 2,10,000 is for goods. The remaining is for expenses. Creditor for expenses. Loan from Bank of Baroda is secured against stock. Means loan from Bank of Baroda is a secured loan. It is secured against stock. Then market value of investment. Here investment दिया है, उसका market value is 1,78,000 and face value is 1,60,000. So we have to show this market value 1,78,000 and while face value 1,60,000. Then ignore previous year figures and corporate dividend taxes. We have to ignore, prepare balance sheet as on 31st March 2017 as per schedule 3 requirements after considering the above information. So our first thing what we will be doing is equity and liabilities. Only balance sheet we have to prepare. So equity and liabilities में सबसे पहले आता है share. Equity means shareholders fund. Equity means shareholders fund. उसमें दो चीज आता है, share capital and reserves and surplus. Reserves and surplus. So यहाँ पे we will show 1 and 2. So 1 and 2 share capital and reserves and surplus. So here that is prepare notes to account. One note will be there for proposed dividend. One note is there, additional note. It is for proposed dividend because we will not show the because before I forget, I will write here proposed dividend. We'll have to show as a note. How much is it? It is 6%. 6% किसका होगा? Dividend is given under share capital. So 40 lakhs में 6%. 40 lakhs में 6% will be the proposed dividend. This will not show here. We will not show in any of the balance sheet. We will show it separately. 6%. So find out कितना होगा ये amount. 40 lakh का 6%. 40 lakh का 6% is 2,40,000. So proposed dividend we will not show anywhere in the balance sheet because this according to the notification issued by ICAI. Earlier we used to show it in the balance sheet under short-term provisions. Short-term provisions में हम proposed dividend को भी बताते थे. But अभी as per the recent notification we should not show it. नोट में बताना, लाइक कंटिंजेंट लायबिलिटी को नोट में बताते सेम वे. तो यहाँ पे हम लोग बनाएंगे नोट्स टू अकाउंट. नोट्स टू अकाउंट पे फर्स्ट नोट व्हाट वी हैव टू प्रिपेयर इज शेयर कैपिटल. So how much is share capital? Let us see how much share capital we have. We have only equity share capital, 100 rupees each. So let us write. Let us prepare the first note wherein we can write issued, subscribe. They have not given anything about the authorized capital. Subscribed and paid up capital. How much it is? It is equity shares of rupees 100 each. How much it is? 40 lakhs. अब 40 lakhs को divide करेंगे 100 से, so 2 zeros will get cancelled. So how much is the number of shares? 40,000. If you want, you can show here number of shares. 40,000 equity shares of rupees 100 each, which they have not given the number. You don't want to show, it's okay. But I have shown here. Now we can write here how much is the share capital. Only one type of share is there. Preference share is not there in the question. So no need to write. When it is not there, we will not write. Next one is reserves and surplus. What reserves and surplus we have? Reserves मतलब general reserve I can see. इसमें एक adjustment भी है. General reserve is there. Then we have, what else we have? Only general reserve in reserves and profit for the year and P&L account opening balance in surplus. General reserve is 1,40,000. So I will write here. General reserve 1,40,000. इसमें हम add करेंगे transfer, which we will get from the question. How much transfer is there? Because we have already read the full question. 1 lakh is transfer. So our transfer, we have transferred the profit to general reserve. So ये add करेंगे. So it will be how much? It will be 2,40,000. Then we have surplus. Surplus में we have profit and loss account. The opening balance is given in the question. The trial balance only we can see opening balance are profit for the year, are profit during the year. Let us see how much is the amount. So profit for the year is 5,40,000 and opening balance is 2 lakh. So let us fill the amount. 2 lakh, 5,40,000. So total is coming to 7,40,000. That is the total. Just highlighting it so that we can distinguish less appropriations. One appropriation is already given. Appropriations, that is distribution of profit. What they have given? Transfer to general reserve, which already we have shown one effect above. Transfer reserve, that is 1 lakh. So how much it will be? 6,40,000. Add both of them, we get 8,80,000. So reserve and surplus मिल गया 8,80,000. So हमारा shareholders fund is done. Now we have the, that is non-liability. दो type का, non-current liability, non-current liabilities and current liabilities. Two type of liabilities are there, non-current and current. Non-current में we have long-term borrowings. Long-term borrowings. Let us check in the liability, that is credit side of the trial balance. Any long-term borrowing is there? Is done. Yes, long-term borrowing we have loan from Bank of Baroda and they have saying it is secured against stock. तो इसके लिए एक नोट बना देते हैं लॉन्ग टर्म बोरोइंग के लिए. लेट अस प्रिपेयर अ नोट हियर. लॉन्ग टर्म बोरोइंग 3. Note number 3, long-term borrowings. We have, what do we have here? Loan from Bank of Baroda. Loan from Bank of Baroda. Amount of the loan is how much? Amount of the loan is 6 lakh. So we will write here secured against stock. Secured against stock. This is the information so that we can take and we will understand 6 lakh. So directly we will go to the note number 3 that we have written. No need to write anything else. 6 lakh, because if you go to the note number 3, you will get the details. Then we have current liabilities. Under current liabilities, we have short-term borrowings. Short-term borrowings में कोई भी short-term loan, bank overdraft आएगा. Then trade payable, creditors bills payable. Then we have other current liability, any type of outstanding expenses. And lastly, we have short-term provision. Short-term provision में we have provision for tax or any other provision. Short-term provisions. So let us see अभी हमारे पास क्या है. Short-term loans है 1 lakh, that will come under short-term borrowings. So I can write short-term borrowings में 1 lakh short-term loans. Short-term borrowings के लिए हमारे पास short-term loans है 1 lakh, वो short-term borrowings है. Borrowing means loan, loan means borrowing. Short-term एक the same. Then we have creditors, जिसके लिए हमें note बनाना पड़ेगा, because there are two bifurcation in creditors. Creditor included for goods rupees 2,10,000, while the remaining are for expenses. तो trade payable में हमें note बनाना पड़ेगा. Bills payable is not given in the question. Question में liability side is the credit side. We cannot see any other. We cannot see bills payable. So only creditor is there. So let us write here fourth note. We'll go to the fourth note. Note number 4, trade payables. Here we have creditors and we have creditor for expenses and creditor for goods. So creditors included for goods. Total is 2,80,000. हाँ, जिसमें for goods है 2,10,000. Remaining is for expenses. So we will have to write here creditor for goods. Creditor for goods. Creditors for goods. They have given 2,10,000. And we have another one, creditors for expenses. Two type of creditors are there in the business. Total is 2,80,000. And so how much will this be? This will be 70,000. Creditor for goods and creditor for expenses. Goods they have given, while balance is for expense they have said. So 2,80,000 में 2,10,000 आया, तो 70,000 is left out. So यहाँ पे what we will do? We will write here trade payable 2,80,000. Next we have other current liabilities. Any outstanding expenses there? Let us check. Share capital reserve हो गया, loan from, this is short term provision for tax. Net profit हो गया. Unclaimed dividend 10,000 is there. This is unclaimed मतलब due, outstanding. So other current liability में आ जाएगा. Unclaimed dividend because it is outstanding dividend yet to be paid. Outstanding unpaid, it is short-term provision में provision for tax is there 22,000 provision. There is no advance tax, na? Is there any advance tax in the question? अगर एडवांस टैक्स होता तो प्रोविजन फॉर टैक्स में से माइनस करते, बट देयर इज नो एडवांस टैक्स, so directly we will write here 22,000. Now the total of asset, then we will write then this total के बाद the second part is assets. Second part of the balance sheet is assets, and assets में भी two parts हैं, non-current assets and current assets. Non-current assets and current assets. Two type of assets. Non-current long-term nature, current means short-term nature. इसमें हम लिखेंगे property, जो हमारा फिक्स असेट्स है उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं, प्रॉपर्टी, प्लांट एंड इक्विपमेंट. So इसमें we have to show two types. तो एक्चुअली फोर टाइप्स, बट नॉर्मली हम टू ही बताते हैं, कैपिटल वर्क इन प्रोग्रेस एंड इंटेंजिबल असेट्स अंडर डेवलपमेंट. ये दोनों तो हमेशा नील ही होता है. मेजरली ओनली दिस टू टाइप्स, टैंजिबल एंड इंटेंजिबल. So let us see whether we have any tangible, intangible. यहाँ पे tangible, intangible करने का जरूरत ही नहीं है, because एक साथ हमें दिया है फिक्स असेट. तो हमें कैसे समझेगा इसमें tangible कितना, intangible कितना है? Because total they have given fixed asset 24,70,000. So we cannot show this bifurcation. हम ये बाइफोकेशन दिखा नहीं सकते, बिकॉज हमें अलग से नहीं दिया है कि कितना टैंजिबल है कितना इंटैंजिबल है. So directly they have given, so directly we'll have to write, or we can just assume and write कि यहाँ पे हम एक इसमें इसे लिख सकते हैं, चाहिए तो tangible assets क्या दिया है, net block दिया. They have directly given the net blocks. They have not given intangible कितना है. अगर separately देते तो हम bifurcation लिख सकते थे. They have not given 24,70,000. How much it is? 24,70,000. So इसके बाद हमें चाहिए एक और चीज, which is non-current investments. This is given in the question. and एक और चीज है नॉन करंट असेट्स. इसमें फिक्टिशियस असेट्स लिखते हैं. तो शेयर इशू एक्सपेंस दिया है ना, you read the question. शेयर इशू एक्सपेंस इज अ फिक्टिशियस असेट. फिक्टिशियस असेट को अदर नॉन करंट असेट में भी बता सकते हैं, अदर करंट असेट में भी, दोनों से एक जगह. बट वी आर शोइंग इट इन अदर नॉन करंट असेट. व्हाई? द रीजन व्हाई, बिकॉज इट इज रिटर्न ऑफ अमोर्टाइजेबल आफ्टर 12 months. ये 12 months के बाद ही राइट ऑफ होगा, मतलब आफ्टर 1 year. एंड असेट विच आर मोर लाइक विच आर इन द बिजनेस फॉर लॉन्गर पीरियड, मोर देन 1 year, वी ट्रीट इट एज नॉन करंट असेट. जो भी असेट हमारे पास लंबे समय के लिए रहता है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल फॉर मोर देन 1 year, उसको हम नॉन करंट ट्रीट करते हैं. सो ये शेयर इशू एक्सपेंसेस को भी हम नॉन करंट ट्रीट कर सकते हैं. 53,200. इससे पहले मैंने इन्वेस्टमेंट नहीं लिखा, दैट वी विल राइट 53,200. How much is the investment? Just see, investment कितना है? Investment is 1,50,000. That is adjustment. There's the information in investment. 1,50,000 is a non-current investment. There is a information. That what is the information? Market value of investment 1,78,000, face value 1,60,000. So I will write here. Market value of the investment is how much? Market value is 1,78,000, and face value is 1,68,000. This will have to show. This will have to show कि market value इतना है, फेस वैल्यू इतना है, और कॉस्ट इतना है. कॉस्ट इज 1,50,000. मार्केट वैल्यू, मार्केट में द इन्वेस्टमेंट वैल्यू इज 1,78,000 एंड द फेस वैल्यू ऑफ द इन्वेस्टमेंट इज 1,68,000. So we have shown everything. Now we can go to the current asset. इसमें हम सबसे पहले करंट इन्वेस्टमेंट दिखाते हैं, बट आई डोंट, वी हैव डिस्कस द फुल सम, वी हैव नॉट सीन करंट इन्वेस्टमेंट. फिर वी राइट इन्वेंटरीज, इफ नॉट देयर यू डोंट शो इन्वेंटरीज. Then what we have? Then we have trade receivable, that is debtors, bills receivable. Then we have cash and cash equivalent, cash at bank, cash at hand. Then short-term loans and advances. Loans and advances, staff advance है ना. Then other current asset, but other current asset से related कुछ भी नहीं है तो ये भी नील आएगा. So these are the current asset heads. सबसे पहले current investment, nothing is there, so I will write nil. Then inventories, first line of the question inventories are given. First line of the question inventory दिया है 10 lakh. We will write inventory 10 lakh. Then we want trade receivable. वो कितना है? डेटर. ट्रेड रिसीवेबल, डेटर अनसिक्योर्ड एंड गुड 8 lakh, जिसमें there is a information debt due for more than 6 months is 1,04,000, others will be minus 8 lakh में से 1,04,000 माइनस करेंगे तो कितना बचेगा? that will 6,96,000 will be other. Okay, and then we have also bills receivable, वो भी लिखना है 1,16,000. So let us prepare a note for trade receivable. Fifth note. Fifth one, trade receivables. पहले we have sundry debtors, bracket में unsecured and good. This is given in question that all are unsecured and good. See in the question they have given unsecured and good. So now we want to give two heads, due for more than 6 months. It's how much? 1,04,000 given in the question. Others में क्या करेंगे? टोटल डेटर इज 8 lakhs, इसमें माइनस वी विल डू 1,04,000. हाउ मच वी विल गेट? माइनस करके देखो कितना मिल रहा है. डू द माइनस, हाउ मच यू आर गेटिंग? 6,96,000. टोटल इज हाउ मच? Total is again 8 lakhs. So यहाँ पे we will show no. इसके बाद one more हमें दिखाना है. ये मैं फिगर नहीं दिखाती हूँ. Let me remove this. बस ये पूरा अंदर रहना चाहिए था. ये 8 लाख. फिर हमें एक और चीज चाहिए. That is bills receivable. Bracket में they have told trade, right? How much is that bills receivable? 1,16,000. Did you see everyone? Bill receivable 1,16,000 bill receivable. So we'll write here 1,16,000. So total is coming to how much? 1,16,000 and 8 lakh, 9,16,000. So trade receivable is 9,16,000. कैश इन कैश इक्विवेलेंट के लिए अगेन एक नोट बनाते हैं. cash and cash equivalent. So 6-1 cash and cash, 1 minute, cash and cash इक्विवेलेंट हमारे पास दो है, कैश इन हैंड and we have cash in bank. Let us see the amount. What is it? दो है हमारे पास, cash in hand and bank balance. How much it is? 1,29,88. How much it is? 1,20,000. 1,20,000 and 9,88. Take the total. 1,20,000, 9,88 is giving us 11,08,000. 11,08,000. So we can directly write here 11,08,000. Short-term loans and advances. Short-term loans and advances. देखो ये सब लिख लिया, ये सब लिख लिया. क्या बचा है? Staff advances 1,94,800. Staff advances यानी short-term loans and advances में आ जाएगा ये 1,94,800. That is staff loan. If you want to show it, you can do a separate note and you can show. Now सारे assets complete हो गए, कोई other current asset नहीं है. So this total your balance sheet should tally. So 2,24,70,000, 1,50,000, 53,200, 10,00,000, 19,16,000, 11,08,000, 1,94,800. Our total is coming to 58,92,000. 58,92,000. इसके बाद here also our total is coming 40 lakh plus 8,80,000 plus 6 lakh plus 1 lakh plus 2,80,000 plus 10,000 plus 22,000 is giving us 58,92,000. With this, what is happening? Our balance sheet is getting tallied. Total of liabilities is equal to the total of assets, and our sum is done. Proposed dividend we have shown in a note, like we show the contingent liability in the note. Same way. Thank you so much everyone. With this I will end today's lecture.